How to unpin a video on your TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to unpin videos on your TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok and go to your profile. Now choose the video you already pinned on your profile. All you need to do is click on the video and this is the video you want to unpin. All you need to do is click on those three lines and you're gonna find between those options one options which is unpin. Click on it and go back. Like you see, the video have unpinned. If you want to go back and pin the video again, just go and click on pin, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.